What is cooking? Learning objectives. Understand different utensils, recognize cooking appliances, discover cooking methods, learn healthy cooking practices, grasp importance of sharing. On Sunday, Meera wanted to make a cake. Her sister Shanti was watching her. Meera mixed all the ingredients. She put it in a mold and placed it in an oven. She switched the oven on. The cake was ready in 30 minutes. After that, Meera wanted to make khichdi. Shanti took out another mold. Meera said, "We don't need a mold to make khichdi. We need a pressure cooker." Shanti said, "I thought you make khichdi as you made the cake in an oven." Meera said, "We need different things to make different food items. We call them utensils and appliances." Utensils or vessels. Look at the pictures of different kitchenware in which people cook food. We call them utensils or vessels. They are metal vessels. In villages, people use clay pots to cook food. Look at the pressure cooker. We need it to cook dal or rice. We use a wok for vegetable items. A frying pan is for puris. A griddle is for chapatis. We use a ladle to mix hot things while cooking. Appliances for cooking. With different utensils or vessels, we cannot cook food. We need some appliances that heat the things like rice, vegetables, etc. Look at this woman. She cooks on a gas stove. The stove gets the gas from the cylinder. Look at this woman. She cooks on a chulha. She burns firewood in the chulha to heat the rice, etc. Different methods of cooking items. Read and learn different ways of making food items. Do you know? Solar cooker is a cooking appliance which uses sunlight to cook food. Baking. Look at the three items: a cake, biscuits, and bread. People make these items using the method of baking. They prepare the dough and put it in an oven. Steaming. Dokla and idlis. People make them by steaming. Watch your mother making these items. You will understand this method. Deep frying. Samosas, pakoda, and puris. People heat oil in a frying pan and fry these items. Boiling. Look at the two items, rice and dal. People cook rice and dal by boiling them in water. We make potatoes soft by boiling them and then make potato dishes. Do you know we should wash the vegetables first and then cut them into pieces? Do not cut items and then wash the pieces. Roasting. We roast groundnuts, cashew nuts, chicken before eating them. We may add salt and chilies to make them taste. We do the roasting on a wok. Shallow frying. In deep frying of puris, we use a lot of oil, but in making parathas, we use little oil on a frying pan or tawa. This method is called shallow frying. Chapter at a glance. People use different things to cook food. They use metal things or clay pots. A pressure cooker, a vessel, a frying pan are the utensils which people need to cook food. A gas stove or a chulha gives heat to cook food. People make bread by baking the dough. We use a lot of oil for deep frying puris. We need little oil for shallow frying of parathas. People make idlis by steaming.